South Africa is a nation born of struggle and resilience. For decades, the apartheid regime cast a dark shadow over the land, enforcing segregation and oppression with an iron fist. But the spirit of the people refused to be crushed. The African National Congress, ANC, became the vanguard of the resistance with one of the greatest African leaders at the forefront. This is the story of Nelson Mandela, a man who refused to be broken, who refused to give up, and who emerged from the shadows of prison with a heart full of forgiveness and a spirit that inspires the world. Mandela was driven by a fierce determination to fight for justice, to stand up for what is right, and to bring about change to a country torn apart by apartheid. He was willing to sacrifice everything, his freedom, his family, his life, for the sake of his people and his country. But Mandela's story is not just one of the struggle and sacrifice. It is also a story of forgiveness and redemption. After 27 long years, he walked out of prison with a full heart of forgiveness and a spirit that refused to be defeated. The apartheid regime grip on power began to lose in the late 1980s. International pressure, economic sanction, and internal resistance took over. In 1990, Nelson Mandela walked out of prison, a symbol of hope and forgiveness. The country's transition to democracy was a remarkable journey, with Mandela's leadership and vision guiding the way. As we reflect on Mandela's life and legacy, we are reminded of the transformative power of forgiveness. We can see how forgiveness can break the chains of bitterness and anger, how it can set us free to live, to love, and to serve. We see how forgiveness can heal the wounds of the past and how it can build bridges between communities and nations. Mandela's legacy teaches us that the true strength lies not in domination, but in the ability to forgive and unite. He showed us that even in the face of great adversity, we have the power to choose how we respond. We can choose to let bitterness and anger consume us, or we can choose to forgive and move forward. As we honor Mandela's memory, we are reminded that we all have the power to make a difference, and that together we can create a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. So let Mandela's story touch your heart, inspire your heart, and challenge you to make a difference in the world. Let his legacy be a reminder that forgiveness is possible, that healing is possible, and that a better world is possible.